Hi, welcome to this course on study skills. What are study skills? Study skills are the strategies and techniques that help us learn and remember new information. Okay? Study skills are separate from, say, academic information because study skills are how we learn and it's not what we learn. Some big examples of types of study skills would be note-taking. How does someone take notes? Do you use a certain method? Do you feel like you're able to abbreviate your notes or do shorthand, or do you have to write everything out? Test prep. Do you have a specific way that you like to study that makes it more effective? Do you do note cards, flashcards, anything like that? Okay, being organized is actually a study skills because if you can't find what you're trying to study, then that's going to make it a lot harder to learn. But if you're really organized and you keep all your materials in one place and you're able to find information quickly, that is helping how you learn even though it's not what you learn. Memorization is another one of those how we learn sort of skills. Whether or not you want to, again, do something like flashcards or mnemonics, or you practice writing it over and over again, okay, those are all study skills. Then finally we have planning. Planning is an incredibly important study skills because it allows us to prepare and figure out what we need to do when we're faced with a big task. You will see this screen at the start of all the modules because we are learning study skills. Okay? We're practicing the how to learning. We will be using specific academic projects to practice these skills. So you may not understand all the information that are in these practice projects, the academic information. That's okay. Believe me, it's not in a foreign language, so you'll be able to read it. It's okay if you don't understand the academics of it. You don't understand the science or you don't understand the history because we're focusing on the study skills, how we learn. So imagine this, the project. Just been assigned this super big, huge project. It's like 4 pages of directions, tiny print. And you're thinking to yourself, okay, well, what do I need to do? Where do I start? How long do I take? What do I need? How do I figure this out? And to the point that your brain is just going, you're like, I don't even know how to do this. Okay? Well, guess what? That's the project where we're going to do the planning. All right? When working on these projects, we're going to work on 4 different steps, which are broken up into 4 different modules. The first one focuses on reading the directions. The second one is about creating that action plan. The third one has to do with estimating time, so we have an idea about how long it's going to take. And that last one is actually creating our schedule so that we've got a good solid plan on how to complete this project. And when I say this project, I mean any project. These are skills that you're going to be able to use on any project that you do. Okay? So keep on working through the modules. Be sure to do everything in the new introductory module so that you'll know where you go, get your Padlet account going. Remember how you can make copies of Google Docs, and we will see you.